My warmest greetings to our beloved Municipal Mayor Edgar Escondor, to the member of the Sangguniang Bayan. We have here Honorable Richard Arsenal, Honorable Albino Gupio Jr., Honorable Nigel Ando, Honorable Susimo Montecalvo Jr., Honorable Paul T. Yopte, Honorable Daniel Ulmilla, Honorable Gerald Gadel, and to Honorable Ken Malagad. Different stakeholders, we have from DepEd family, headed by our PSDS from Kawayan West District, Mr. Sato ang mga department heads na Batong Barangay Captain, headed by Cap Gerald. We also have here gikan sa atong national agencies and private sector, our PNP, headed by Chief Lario, from the Bureau of Fire Protection and Philippine Coast Guard. We also have private sector, our senior citizen, head by 9, our business sector, headed by Mr. Lester Gader, ug sa tanan ng mga empleyado dinhi sa local government unit. Before we look forward,